Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up balance transfer with Citi, debt consolidation guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up your balance transfer with Citi, gather your current credit card statements. Ensure you know the total amount you want to transfer. Visit the Citi website or open the Citi mobile app. Log into your account with your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the balance transfer section. Select the option for initiating a new balance transfer. Enter the details of the credit card from which you're transferring the balance. Input the total amount you wish to transfer. Review the balance transfer fee, which may apply based on your card agreement. Confirm that the interest rate for the balance transfer is acceptable. If eligible, you may see promotional offers for an introductory interest rate. Read through the terms and conditions to understand all the details. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm the balance transfer request. You should receive a confirmation of your transfer request shortly. Keep track of the transfer status in your account overview. It may take a few days for the transfer to process and reflect on your old card. Continue to make your normal payments on the old card until the transfer is confirmed. Monitor your accounts for any changes or updates regarding your balance transfer. Make a plan for how you will pay off the new balance to avoid interest charges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.